I'll be trying Nightingale, a banana pudding ice cream sandwich. We read this here. It says golden crusted brown sugar cookie and fresh banana pudding ice cream swirled with vanilla wafers. Sounds very good. Wow. Hope I get my mouth around that. It's pretty big. Tall. Pause here. Just pause. I'm going to try just the ice cream part here and get a little bit of that. Wow. Yeah, wow. It tastes like banana pudding. Surprise, surprise. Well, the ice cream part's very good. Now, if I get my mouth around this, I'll tell you what. Let's get a bit of this cookie here and try it. Yeah, just kind of a plain, what do they call it? Golden crusted brown sugar cookie. Yeah, okay. Just kind of a plain cookie. Here goes. Really got to stretch them out to get over this thing. Tastes are very good though. Oh, they're very good. I'm not sure if it's worth the money I paid. This was on sale for $1.88, this little thing. But, I guess on sale. I might buy another. So, excellent. Very good.